Obasanjo confirmed meeting with the Southeast governors, but he said that Nnamdi Kanu issue of release did not discuss. So what Hope Uzodinma is reading out in this video that I'm going to show you, where did they get it from? My people, these people are playing with our intelligence, but however, we are watching. They say for inside Lagos today, no be small thing. They say water don't carry everywhere. This one a heavy flood though for inside Lagos. And information where would they get here be say that heavy protest broke out for inside Uniben. You people know where it is. I think I was in Lagos. That as it be like this, so no be small gbege. Say for very soon Nigeria everywhere fit be protest as it dey happen for inside Kenya. My wonderful people, one man don't come outside blast Nigeria youth to tell them say their coward don't become too much, and this way that they pretend say everywhere good. He said they go there for this condition for decades if they did not do something. I'm going to bring up these videos for you to watch. You don't forget, so you still there for Balabas gist and share this video as you dey watch am. My people, let's see wetin Hope Uzodinma talk. The Southeast Governors Forum talk for this video wey make Obasanjo come outside come talk say they no discuss anything concerning Nnamdi Kanu. Are these people really playing with the Biafrans? Watch wetin him talk.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
A communique issued today, 2nd July 2024, by the Southeast Governors Forum. The forum commiserated with the government and people of Abia State, Ebonyi, Imo State, indeed the entire Southeast region and Nigeria, and the family of Obasanjo's family. The people of Obasanjo's family on the demise of His Excellency Dr. Obasanjo Kanu. The forum received the delegation of the former President Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, GCFR, Chief Emeka Anyoko, GCON, and His Royal Majesty Igwe Emeka Achabe, CFR, the Ode of Onitsha, who came on a solidarity visit to this forum. The forum deliberated on the reviewed report of the Southeast Security and Economic Summit held in Owerri on the 28th September 2023 and agreed to implement the aspects of the report pertaining to security and economic integration of the region, and affirmed its desire to put actionable plans on the key issues agreed. The forum resolved to visit Mr. President to discuss the pressing issues, all pressing issues concerning the Southeast region. The forum also deliberated and resolved to interface with the federal government to secure the release of Nnamdi Kanu, and the meeting adjourned whenever. Thank you. Signed, His Excellency the Governor of Imo State, Senator Hope Uzodinma, CON. His Excellency Dr. Lex Oti, OFR, the Governor of Abia State. His Excellency Professor Chukwu Masoludo, CFR, the Governor of Anambra State. His Excellency Right Honorable Francis Winfrey, the Governor of Ebonyi State. And finally, our host governor, His Excellency Dr. Peter Mba. Thank you all, and may God bless you.
Okay, my wonderful people, Now be the moment wey Hope Uzodinma come outside come read this thing with other governors for inside Southeast. But Obasanjo say he meet these people, but he no discuss anything concern the release of Nnamdi Kanu with them. That they should go back and ask their governors what they discussed in the meeting, which they did. My people, e don read though, matter don change. However, let us look wetin dey happen for inside Lagos as we dey talk now. They say water don carry everybody for inside that area.
This is Yoruba. Oh. Oh my God. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Oh boy. Hey, wait. Yay. Jesus. Your phone no be waterproof. Hey. Yeah. Oh boy. Water come. Hey. Hey. Jesus.
This one na wahala.
God. This is Lagos State, Yoruba. No be small rain, no be small water. No road again. Oh my God.
Okay, my wonderful people, they say that evening protests break out for inside Uniben. Let us watch this video and see. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, the moment these protesters resist the military men as they try to tell them to leave the road. You know, Africa, let me tell you this thing. If you are a military, you are a police, you are a civil defense, you are any kind of force you are in Nigeria, listen, this message is for you. Anytime you see protests, be very, very careful. Youth in Africa are angry. I know that you self who are police, you are angry as well because you want to protect the office, the oath of allegiance of the office that you're working to. Because of that, you don't want to agree with the youth and they are working for the government. So you have to be careful. If not, they will sacrifice you for that protest. Okay, guys, let's look what this man tell the Nigeria youth.
Do you know why Kenyans are protesting? Because before, I don't know why they are protesting. But as I can't they follow the news. I can't notice if they protest because of tax increment. They don't protest because of the kidding. They don't protest because of there's no food. They don't protest because of no light or something like that. Huh? Because of tax increment, because of that, Kenyans are protesting. But Nigerians, Fulani are killing you people. Police are killing you people. Army are killing you people. Politicians are killing you people. Kidnappers, even though your brother can kidnap you, nobody's protesting. I can't ask myself why. Are we so dumb that we don't have sense anymore? Or what? I can't just understand. See Kenya. After we say that we are giant of Africa, after we say that Nigerians are have intelligent people, but I have not seen any intelligent in this Nigerian issue. There's nothing like intelligent on them. They use religions, Christian and Muslim, every day, Monday to Saturday, they are in the church praying. Every Friday, they are in the mosque praying, shouting, making noise, telling God to come and protect them. God cannot protect you, my brother. You yourself, you protect yourself. Go and protect yourself. Everybody should go out of the street and fight for this once and for all before the politicians will buy everybody. Today I hear somebody protecting GMO food. A reasonable and intelligent guy, according to him, well educated, are protecting GMO food. I say, how much did they pay this guy to kill his own people? To kill his own people. Even though what is a very dark man is not my friend, understand me? Because let me say it, because I know that as long as you are not an Igbo, you don't like an Igbo people. If you talk about any Igbo person, I will be against you. That's all. The guy is not a bad person, because the boy is doing a very good job. You people want to kill him because Nigeria doesn't like the truth. Nigeria doesn't like the truth. That's the problem we have. Pastor will come out, wake up in the morning, telling you lies, and you believe. But so that person that telling the truth, you can never ever believe him. You put him in prison. Did it make sense? Why can't we be wise for once? Why can't we do something for once? We know that we are not comparable. We are not one country, and we will never be a country. Where are we staying together? Fulani is the very big problem that we have in Nigeria. And Fulani have conquered Yoruba. Yoruba become the worst enemy against Ndi Igbo. Igbo did not do them anything. But they hate Igbo. They hate Ndi Igbo with passion, with nothing. With nothing. With nothing. If I check all this, I can just imagine what is going on in that country. Why do people hate light? Why do people hate to hear the truth? Why do people hate somebody that if you see somebody that progressing, you hate him? Because of what? You know that this guy can do this thing. Leave it for him, let him do it. But you will refuse because of your hatred, because of your wickedness, because of your evil tribalism. Why are you doing that? Why are you people doing that? Everybody should go out to the street. Go to the street and fight for your right once and for all. If you are in your house, they will kill you. If you go out, they will kill you. Rather, go out, let them kill you. Die like a hero. How much is a pint of Gary? The cheapest thing. You can sow Gary and drink, but poor man cannot sow Gary again. Poor man cannot sow Gary again in Nigeria. Shame on you people.
Yes, my wonderful people, please do not hesitate to share this video so that other people go to get the information and know what they happen for inside the matter. And make sure say you subscribe and also follow this page. Drop your own opinion for inside comment section regarding the whole update what we don't bring can give you.